You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name with a quite different, quite unique spelling, which makes it confusing. Looks like it should be pronounced Daveigh or Daveigh, Daveigh. No, the GH at the end is silent or are silent. It's pronounced, I put the phonetic spelling for you on the screen. Daveigh. Yes, how to pronounce Daveigh. Daveigh as in Davy Chase. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.